while doing subtraction, we will face two types of problem. In first problem, if I subtract a number, say like this, in which the number written above is greater than the number written below, then this is a normal pair for subtraction. But on the other hand, if I encounter this type of subtraction where the number written above is smaller than the number written below, then I need to do a special technique. To do that special technique, we must have the knowledge of best friends. Now, what are best friends? Best friends are any two pair of number which adds up to 10. Any two numbers that ends up in 10. Say for example, 1 and 9 are best friends. Since 1 plus 9 is 10, so 1 and 9 are best friends. Similarly, 2 and 8 are best friends. 2 plus 8 is 10 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So 2 and 8 are best friends. 3, what should be the best friend of 3?
7.
Yes, 3 and 7 are best friends. 4,
6.
good. And 5 and 5 are best friends. So these numbers together always ends up in 10, and these numbers are called as best friends. Okay, I have highlighted this on board. Now let us understand how to do subtraction using the best friend technique. As in normal subtraction, here also we will start from right. We see that the number written above is greater than the number below it. So we will do normal subtraction. In this case, we always do normal subtraction. I have told you. In this case, we have to do normal subtraction. And in this case, we have to use best friend technique. Now, let us understand what is this best friend technique. First, this is normal subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, in this second pair, 4 minus 8. Here we see that 8 is greater than 4. So we will use best friend technique. Now, what is this best friend technique? Add the best friend of 8 to 4. Best friend of 8 is 2. Add 2 and 4. This becomes 6. And put a dot to the left digit. This dot simply means we have added 1 to this 6. This 6 plus a dot means 7. Now again, when we see 5 and 7, we find that 5 is less than 7. So we will add the best friend of 7, which is 3, to 5. This becomes 8. Here we have taken best friend, so we will put a dot over here. This 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3, and 3861 is our final answer. Now I will write this. I will write this technique in words. Please let me finish. I will write this technique in words. Case 1, number above is greater than number below. What you have to do? Normal subtraction. Case 2, number above is less than the number below. What you have to do? Use best friend technique. Now what is this best friend technique? I will write this technique also.
Are we supposed to write all this?
Yes. Add
because it's looking very blurry to me, so I can't see it very well.
I will post a pic of it in your group. Don't worry. Add the best friend of the number below to the above number and increase the next digit to the left by 1. I am sending you the pic. Don't worry, I am sending you the pic. Now is the technique clear?
I have one question about the technique.
I don't get the technique. I don't get it.
Okay, I will do more examples. Yeah, Shivankari, what is your doubt?
Now how do you get the thingy? You say the 1 equals 9 and you mean the thing that 2
This is the best friends of the numbers. I told you.
How do you get the best friend?
The best friends are the two numbers
that means the below number.
That any two numbers that sums up to 10. That sums up to 10 are the best friends.
Okay.
Okay. So 1 and 9 sums up to 10. 2 and 8 is 10. 3 and 7 is 10. 4 and 6 is 10. Similarly, 5 and 5, 10. So these are the best friends. Now, while subtraction, two cases arise. In the first case, the number which is written above is bigger number, so you can subtract it directly. In the second case, the number written below is big number, so you have to add the best friend of this number to this and increase the next number by 1. Now is it clear to everyone?
Yes. Now I get it.
I don't get it still.
You don't get it still? Okay, no problem. I will take another example. You have written down this example?
Yes.
Yeah, so is it like so basically if the top number is less than the bottom number, then you add the best friend to that.
Yes.
And then you subtract it. So say
then I don't subtract. I simply add the best friend of this number to this number and increase the next digit by 1.
Oh, so you add the best friend to the other the number on top of it, and then you put that on the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I have a question.
So the question I have is like, you know that you said that the best friend of that number should get. Wait, is it added or subtracted from that number?
Added. It is added, my
Okay.
dear. Okay.
Yeah, if it's
Now
added, then is it added from the bottom number or from the top?
yes.
Sir, I
don't-
have a question.
it don't make any difference if you add top number to the bottom number or bottom number to the top number. The sum is going to be the same.
ಹೇಳು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
Okay. Now I will explain one more example. Just pay attention. Everyone just pay attention. I'm explaining another example. Here we see that this is case 2. The number written below is greater than the number written above it. So what I will do, I will add the best friend of 8, which is 2, to 5. This becomes 7 and increase this digit by 1. This again becomes 8 and the best friend of 8 is 2. So I will add 2 to 6. I will get 8 and I will put a dot over here also. This becomes 7. Again 5 is less than 7. The number below is greater. So case 2. I will add the best friend of 7, which is 3, to 5. This becomes.
Wait, isn't that supposed to be 2?
The best friend of 7 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. When we put a dot over the digit, it means the digit has to be increased by 1. Here too, we use the best friend technique. So we will put a dot over here. This becomes 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು?
Let me take another example. I will take one more example.
Sir,
Yes.
I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Now, what in the fourth part, which was like 5, 6.
Yeah.
Now you added 1 to the 6, that became 7. But how could that 5 plus 3 could be? You have to increase the adding number to another one.
Yes. I have increased. This has become 7. So 7, the best friend of 7 is 3. So I have to add 3 and 5. This becomes 8.
Oh, you increased the 7 to 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now here we will do 6 minus 3. This can be done directly. So I will write 3. Again 5 minus 2 is 3. I have not taken any best friend, so I will not put a dot to the next digit. Now here I see 1 is less than 7. The number written below is big number. So I will add the best friend of 7, which is 3, to 1. This becomes 4. And I will put a dot over here. This is 8 minus 3, which is 5. Now is the
Okay,
technique
I get
clear?
it. I get it. Yes, I
I
get it.
have a question.
I don't
I
get
have-
numbers.
But
don't
yeah, I
get
have a
numbers.
question. Like, you know,
Please, one by one, I will give everyone a chance. Yeah, Pragnay, go ahead.
I don't get number 3. The one you wrote, where you wrote 3. I get the first 2.
This
But I
is
don't
6 minus 3. This is 6 minus 3, which is 3. Again, 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 7. When I saw that 7 is greater than 1, I took the best friend of 7. The best friend of 7 is 3.
3.
I added 3 and 1. This becomes 4. Since I took the best friend here, I will put a dot to the next digit. This becomes 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5.
5, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Now
I have a
Shivakri,
Exactly.
Shivakri, you are also having any question? Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm a bit confused because how did you get that the 4 there? Like 1 plus 3 equals 4, so you put the
Yes.
4 there.
Yes. The
Well,
best
how
friend
did
of
you-
7 is 3 and I added 3 and 1. This becomes 4.
Oh, one of the adding are 3.
This is the rule. I said we have two cases. The first case is when the number written above is greater, you do normal subtraction, and when the number written above is smaller, you take the best friend of the number, this number, and add both of them. After that, whenever
Yes.
you after that, whenever you take the best friend, you put a dot to the next digit.
ಕೇಳಲಿ
Now this is clear to everyone.
Yes, clear.
Very
No,
nice.
I have a question. I have a question.
Yeah, Lohit, go ahead.
In the beginning of class, you wrote this problem on 4 minus 6. How are you supposed to solve that one?
Which one?
In the beginning of class. No, not in that one. None of those problems. You erased it, but in the beginning of class, you gave us a problem. You wrote, yeah, you wrote
This
that.
one.
Yeah.
I just explained one of the step in which the number written above is bigger than the number written below.
So that's
smaller
not
than the
a.
number. Yes.
So that's not a full problem. That's only one
Yes.
problem. That's
Yeah.
only
No,
one
this is
piece.
that's not one problem. That is a piece of problem. Okay. That was just one step of the problem when you face that number. I'm not introducing you to the negative numbers.
Wait, like
Although-
question 2, right? So like
You-
in question 2, I understand question 3 because like 6 minus 3 is 3 and then 5 minus 2 is 3. But like you said 5 is smaller than 8. So how did the 7 come?
This one. What is the best friend of 2? Or best friend of 8?
2.
And I added 2 and 5. I got 7.
Okay. And then so like every time you use like the best friends like technique thing, then you add a dot which equals 1, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You best friends.
Okay. This question is for you people. Try this question out.
ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನಚ್ಚ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನ್ರಿ
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬಿಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್
ದೊಡ್ಡದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
10 ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್
Best friend. Best friend. Best friend.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ
4, 6 minus 1. I have a question, sir.
Yes. Go ahead.
Now, when the first middle number is like the minus the smaller number best friend thing you have to do. Now, when the next number is not in the best friend position, you can't do the best friend thing. If you put the dot on the next digit, does it become greater or stays the same?
Okay. Now I will explain this question. Your doubt will get clear when I explain this question. Just help me out, Shivangri. This is which case, first or second?
First.
Okay. In first case, what we do? 2 minus 1, which is very simple. You will write 1. Right? Now, in the second step, if this is case 1 or 2?
2.
And what we do in case 2?
What is the best friend of 5?
No, what is the best friend of 9?
Friend of 9.
9. Yes, what is the best friend of 9?
Best friend of 9 is
Best friend of 9?
9 plus what is 10?
9 plus what? 1.
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ
1.
So 1. So you add 1 and 6, 1 and 5. You will add 1 and 5. This becomes 6. Is this step clear?
Yes, clear.
Now what I am supposed to do?
Now,
Now what?
put a dot on next digit.
Yes, very nice. Now, this is 6 minus
2
2, yes, which is
4.
yes. So the answer is 461. Yeah, Lohit, your answer was correct. Parth, your answer was also correct. Pragnay, your answer is also correct.
But I didn't get one thing. That why do you subtract it the other way? Oh wait, mixed up. I thought the lower number was on the top. I forgot. 6 is higher.
Actually, I do have a question. So, like, what if there is a carryover?
There will not be a carryover, don't worry. When we have carryover, I will explain you.
9.
Do this one.
714 minus. Late bari.
ಹೋಗ್ ಮಾಡ್
4 minus 5.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ. What
5
is
best friend 2.
ಹೆಂಗೆ
best friend ಎಷ್ಟು? Best friend is what makes it 10.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ
5.
Best friend ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? It and the best friend together make 10.
I'm sorry, I muted Shivankari. You can unmute yourself when you are done.
I don't get this one.
Try, just try. This is very nice question to try for yourself first. Then I will help. Lohit, try again. Parth, try again. Pragnay, excellent. Your answer is correct. Very, very good.
I don't quite get this one.
Okay, this is very special question. Let me do it for you. Just pay attention on the board. This is case 2. The first step is case 2. Right? So what I will do, I will add the best friend of 5, which is 5 to 4. This becomes 9. Since I have taken the best friend of 5 in this step, I will put a dot in the next step. This becomes 10. This becomes 10. Now 10 is greater than 1. So add the best friend of 10. The best friend of 10 is 0. And 0 plus 1 is 1. Again I am repeating. Here I took the best friend of 5. This becomes 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Since I took the best friend of the number in this step, I will increase this digit by 1. This becomes 10. And the best friend of 10 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Again, since I took the best friend in this step, I will put a dot over here. Here, the step repeats. This is 10. And the best friend of 10 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. I took the best friend here, so I will put a dot over here. And this is 7 minus 3, which is 4. So the answer is 4119.
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
On the one minus 9, you added first one you added dot, so that equals to 10.
Yes.
And then the best friend of 10, the best friend of 10 is 0.
Yeah, correct.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Oh, very nice.
Wait,
So,
wait. So like suppose the question is like 700 like I was just 100 like if you I couldn't do it from like this method, so I tried something different. So but how like how does it turn out as 1?
this one, how does it turn out to be 1? I explained 2 times. I will repeat once again. This is 5. The best friend of 5 is 5. And 5 plus 4 is 9. So I have written 9 over here. I took the best friend here. So I put a dot over here. This 9 plus 1 becomes 10. And the best friend of 10 is 0. So when I add 0 and 1, I will get 1.
So there can also be zeros? I don't know that.
Yes, there can be
Okay.
zeros. Okay, so the next question.
Is
I
that
can't
3
even
or
see that.
You
is
have
that
to try this
9?
question.
Is that a 3 or a
9814.
8? Oh, okay.
9814.
I can see what are the last 2 numbers of the 4,000.
9814. 9814 minus 4288.
Okay.
Pragnay, your answer is correct. Lohit, try again. Just one step is incorrect. Shivantri, your answer is correct. Parth, your answer is correct.
I couldn't like explain it, but yeah, now since the question here, so like when it's like 4 minus 8, so that's that's a 6 for the first one, and then it's a 2. But then like 8 minus 2 can go clearly. So do we still have to add the dot, or
Yes, we have to add the dot. This is 4 and 8. So the best friend of 8 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. We will put a dot over here. This becomes 9 and the best friend of 9 is 1. So 1 plus 1
yeah.
again 2, and I have to put a dot over here since I took the best friend
Yeah.
in the previous step.
Oh, okay, now I get it. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah, I get it.
Very nice. Lohit, your answer is also correct. So all of you got the right answer. Next question for everyone. Yes, Shivantri, you have any doubt? Okay. You can unmute yourself if you wish.
I have no
Yes.
doubt, sir.
Okay, fine.
Or just accident.
Okay. Pragnay, your answer is correct. Lohit, your answer is correct. Parth, try again. Just a very small mistake in your last step.
Sorry. I meant to put a 2 over there.
Yeah, correct.
I think this method's probably like the second easiest.
What do you think is the first easiest?
The negative like 99 times 99 ones.
Everyone has their
Are you
favorite
talking
method.
about? Are you talking
Okay,
about like the base
please.
one?
Yeah. He's
Yeah.
talking about base method. Please don't discuss among yourself. Try doing this question fast.
Is there a new question?
Yeah, I will give you a new question. First, let this question be completed by everyone.
Oh, I thought there was a new question I couldn't see.
Okay, I will do it for everyone. This is simple. 2 minus 1 is 1. The best friend of 6 is 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Again, we took a best friend out in this step. So I will put a dot over here. 5 minus 2 is 3. And the last step, 6 minus 4 is 2. And the answer is 2361.
Yeah.
Fine. Ready for next question? Now, I suppose the technique is clear to everyone.
It's clear, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct answer, Pragnay. Correct answer, Parth. Correct answer, Lohit. Shivankari, I am waiting for your answer. No, it should be 2 2 4 2. Let me explain. 4 minus 2 is 2. The best friend of 7 is 3. So 3 plus 1 is again 4. I took the best friend over here, so I will put a dot over here. The best friend of 8. Now this has become 8. So the best friend of 8 is 2 and 2 plus 0 is 2. Again, since I took the best friend in this step, I will put a dot over here. This means 9 minus 7 is 2. So the answer is 2242. So the technique is clear to everyone. I will share a practice
Yes.
sheet with you. You have to practice more questions. This is
Okay.
the easy technique for subtraction and very, very fast. Just as it requires some practice to get perfection over the technique. So I will be sharing the technique, the practice sheet with you. That's all for today from my side. Bye bye.
This was
Bye.
this is my favorite one.
Very nice.
Yeah, this one's gonna